Introducing your baby to a variety of textures is a wonderful way to stimulate their tactile senses and encourage cognitive development. Through touch, babies learn to differentiate objects and understand the world around them. This sensory play is easy to incorporate into your daily activities and offers both fun and educational benefits. Let's dive into how you can engage your baby's sense of touch with a variety of textures. Activity: explore textures. Setting up: gather a selection of safe toys and household items with different textures, such as a soft blanket, a rubbery bath toy, a smooth spoon, and a fuzzy teddy bear. Ensure all items are clean and baby-safe. Guided exploration: sit with your baby and introduce each item one at a time. Guide their hand to touch and feel the different textures and describe each one aloud, saying, for example, "This blanket is so soft," or "This ball is very bumpy." Independent discovery: encourage your baby to reach for and explore the items on their own. Watch their reactions to each texture and talk about what they're feeling. Benefits: sensory development. Exploring textures helps enhance your baby's sensory development and tactile discrimination skills. Language skills. Describing the textures out loud enriches your baby's vocabulary and aids in language development. Cognitive growth. This activity promotes curiosity and problem-solving as babies learn to differentiate between various textures. Motor skills. Grasping and manipulating textured objects helps develop fine motor skills. Tips for a rich textural experience. Safety first. Ensure all items are large enough not to pose a choking hazard and are free from sharp edges or harmful materials. Incorporate nature. Include natural elements like leaves, smooth rocks, or pine cones for a broader range of textures. Create a texture board. Glue different textured fabrics or materials onto a board or large piece of cardboard for a dedicated exploration tool. Storytime integration. Combine texture exploration with reading by using touch and feel books. Routine integration. Integrate texture discovery into daily routines, such as bath time with various washcloths or meal time with foods of different consistencies, for babies ready for solids. Embrace the joy of discovery and enhance your baby's development by exploring the world of textures together. For more engaging activities and developmental insights, visit www.parentinggenie.com.au. Our resources are designed to support you in nurturing your baby's growth through play, exploration, and love.